कि अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ, वृक्ष हो भले खड़े, हो बड़े हो घने, एक पत्र छाह भी मांग मत मांग मत मांग मत। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। तू न झुकेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, तू न थमेगा कभी, कर शपथ कर शपथ कर शपथ। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ।
Agnipath, the theme which we have chosen for the month of March, I can correlate with this theme very much the way we run the business. If you look at the lines which is there in this poem, तू ना रुकेगा कभी, तू ना थमेगा कभी, तू ना मुड़ेगा कभी, just for the benefit of certain number of people who do not understand Hindi. Basically, what we are trying to talk about is we will not look back, we will not stop ourselves, we will not hold back anything which is there. It's all about passion, it's all about delivery, it's all about not putting rationale towards the fact that whether the targets are achievable or not achievable. I know the journey has been very tough this financial year, but finally we have come down onto a month which is our final frontier. The month which redefines the heroes in this organization. The month which can really show that how powerful agency in Top City is. The month which can really define us as the champions. People who will take this particular oath that yes, it's an Agnipath for ourselves. It's a path which we all want to tread in spite of so many obstacles coming this way. I would like to urge to each one of you that this theme is not a theme or a sheer theme. It's basically my thought process. It's basically our entire team's passion to go all out and deliver. We have exhibited certain amount of elements of this theme in our past performance. So if I look back, I can tell you that when it was in the month of November, we exhibited that passion. In the month of February, we've got that momentum. It's all about us to believe in ourselves, to go all out for 125 crore, which is our Agnipath mission. I think each one of us has adequate number of levers, be it at a frontline level with 300% and 150%, ring fencing all those guys by 7th, and then for the later of the month, towards going and achieving 300% and 150%. And that's enough for us to ensure that all these guys are focused towards their promotions, their double promotion, their bonus at 300%, 500%. So sky's the limit. But we will not look back. We will not hold ourselves. We will not stop. And that's what the message of Agnipath is. When it comes to advisors, I think we have a fantastic Star Club coming to its finale on 31st of March. We have advisors to win Super Slab at 50 lakh first time. We have advisors to go in what index and figure it out that how much more money they can make through Value Builder, how much money more they can make through the monthly contest, how much more money they can make through Super Slab. I think sky's the limit this March, and that's why I think the journey for us is going to be fairly strong one. It will be fairly rewarding for each one of us, for each and every front line, for each and every sales manager, area manager, branch manager, for each and every zonal manager, regional manager, ARM, AVP. It's time for us to change our ranking, to change our position in our goal sheet. So if you are on a GTD goal sheet at 80%, believe you me, 300% will take you to 125% of your goal sheet. People will get double promotions out of it. So it's our belief in our mission which is called as Agnipath. तू न रुकेगा कभी, तू न थमेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, ले शपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ. Thank you.
अग्निपथ. तू न झुकेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, तू न थमेगा कभी, कर शपथ कर शपथ कर शपथ. अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ.